Welcome, everyone. Today, we're exploring the Ayam Cemani, the rarest and most valuable chicken breed on Earth. This all-black bird from Indonesia isn't just unique, it's a serious business opportunity. But first, let's separate facts from fiction, because in this industry, misinformation costs money. Section 1. The Rare Reality. The Ayam Cemani has fewer than 3,500 mature birds worldwide. In Indonesia, it is at risk of extinction. Experts classify it as critically rare. Conservation programs are active globally. Dedicated breeders are preserving genetic diversity and improving bloodlines. This scarcity is what drives its value. Section 2. Market value. In the United States, one bird sells for $100 to $2,500. In the United Kingdom, chicks start at over 50 pounds. In Europe, 50 to 200 plus euros. But beware, most birds in local markets are mixed breeds. True Ayam Cemani is 100% black. Feathers, skin, meat, bones, organs. Any color leakage means crossbreeding. Only buy from verified breeders with documentation. Section 3. Why the hype? First, rarity, known as the Lamborghini of poultry. Second, health benefits, higher protein, lower fat, rich in antioxidants and melanin, used in traditional medicine. Third, cultural value, ceremonial use in Indonesia, premium gourmet meat worldwide. Fourth, disease resistance, stronger immunity than commercial breeds, better survival rates. Section 4. Cost comparison. 10 Ayam Cemani eat 6 pounds per bird monthly. Feed cost is $3 to $4 per bird. Total monthly, $30 to $40. Annual feed, $360 to $480. 1,000 normal broilers eat 10 to 15 pounds per bird. Monthly feed cost per bird, 50 to 80 cents. Total monthly, $500 to $800. Annual feed, $6,000 to $9,600. Space needed, 10 Ayam Cemani need 40 square feet indoor and 100 outdoor. 1,000 broilers need 1,000 to 1,200 square feet indoor. The key insight, 10 Ayam Cemani cost $30 to $40 monthly to feed. 1,000 broilers cost $500 to $800. But one Ayam Cemani sells for $100 to $2,500. A normal broiler, just $3 to $5. The math is undeniable. Section 5. Breeding and production. Breeding ratio is 1 rooster to 3 or 4 hens. For 10 hens, 2 to 3 roosters work best. Each hen lays 60 to 100 eggs yearly, averaging 80. Eggs are cream with a pink tint, about 45 grams. But hens are poor sitters. You need artificial incubation at 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit and 50 to 55% humidity, 21 days to hatch. Section 6. Business model. 10 hens times 80 eggs equals 800 eggs yearly. 70% hatch rate gives 560 chicks. Minus 50 losses, 510 survive. Sell 250, retain 260. Revenue, 250 breeders at $100 each equals $25,000. 260 chicks at $15 each equals $3,900. Total revenue, $28,900. Costs, feed, $420, housing, $200, healthcare, $150, incubation, $200, miscellaneous, $200. Total cost, $1,170. Net profit, $27,730 annually. Start with 12 birds. Initial investment, $1,500 to $3,000. Profit potential, over $25,000 in year 1. Section 7. Success tips. Do buy from verified breeders only. Check for pure black, no color leakage. Invest in artificial incubation. Maintain strict biosecurity and records. Do not buy unverified stock. Never inbreed. Do not overbreed hens. Never rush sales. Premium buyers pay for quality and documentation. Outro. The Ayam Cemani is more than business. It is preserving natural history while building profit. Authenticity, patience, and proper management are your keys. Share this with anyone who needs to hear it. Stay informed, stay profitable.